If the stored secret is your largest attack surface, then the most powerful thing you can do is not to defend it better. It is to remove it entirely. That is exactly what ThinOps Cypher does. Here is what changes for you as the Chief Information Security Officer. Cypher replaces the password with what we call PKI Entanglement. It is a decentralized one-to-one cryptographic relationship between a specific user, their specific device, and your service. In this model, there is no shared secret anywhere. Nothing is typed, nothing is transmitted, and nothing is stored that an attacker could take. A phished password gets them nothing because there is no password. A stolen database gets them nothing because the private keys never leave the hardware-protected enclave on the user's own phone. Verification also runs in both directions. On every transaction, the user proves their identity to your service, and your service proves its identity back to the user. This happens in under a second. Behind the scenes, that two-way handshake closes the spoofed website gap, and the man in the middle gap that one-way passkeys still leave open. Now consider what this does to your risk posture. Authentication is decentralized, so there is no central credential store left to breach. There is nothing to dump and nothing to sell. The Cypher server itself is stateless. It holds no credentials and no personal data, which means a breach has no personally identifiable information to disclose. Your blast radius shrinks from your entire user base down to a single transaction. Cypher is also sovereign. It runs inside your own infrastructure, so identity data never leaves your environment. There is no third-party identity broker whose breach becomes your breach. The fourth-party risk that your insurers and auditors keep asking about is simply removed. You also keep control of user friction. 4 adaptive challenge levels, ranging from a silent notification to a push approval, to a biometric to the one-tick cognitive keyboard, let you match the strength of verification to the risk of each action without taxing everyday logins. Every one of those verifications leaves a defensible, audit-ready record of who approved what and when. That turns a compliance review from days of work into minutes, and it consolidates your stack. One platform, built on open standards, covers employees, customers, contractors, and machine identities, and it integrates through SAML, OpenID Connect, or Radius in minutes rather than sprints. This is the business case you can take to your board. A structurally smaller attack surface, no credential store waiting to become a headline. A security posture that is ready for the quantum era because there is no stored secret left to defend. This is not another layer to monitor. This is the target itself, removed. Replace secrets with relationships. Talk to a human at thinops.com/contact.